Welcome back everyone to this episode. In this one we do the final assembly. Welcome back. Okay, we are pretty much on the final stages here, so I'm going to be taking the strips here off to reveal the big blue stripe going down the center. But before I got to do that, I'm going to take my X-Acto knife and go along the edge here, because if we pull the tape off, it might pull some of the paint away, so we want to be able to just cut along the paint here, so I won't do that. Just ever so gently. You don't need to, you just need to just make a groove in the paint itself. You really don't need any pressure. The pressure, the weight of the blade itself is all it really needs. Looks good. Look at that. Okay, so I'm going to use my fine coarse paper here. I'm going to wet it down. It's like a just to smooth out the edges where the paint is. Okay, got a little bit of touch up there to do, and I'm gonna repaint this part here flat black. Overall, came out quite well. Now the blue here also had the glitter in it, which is why I used it. For the underlying, I used a really bright blue just in order to bring this up a little bit more, because just spraying that onto the dark green, it would have made it a lot darker than this, and I wanted it brighter. So with an undercoat of this this really bright blue, and then spray that over top, you got that brightness coming through. And you just have a light coat of it, not really heavy. So go and blend that in. Okay, all right. All right. Just gonna let this dry, and I still have to do their matte black underneath. Let that set. I guess I can put the rest of everything on the back here underneath. I think it's just about done. We could probably marry these two parts together now. We got the two wires here. They need to go attached to this section here. Then I just take this, flip it over, and put it on, and we'll have those together, and then put the rest of the parts on the back here after. It was a nice test fit. Perfect. I don't think this could be any better. Nice. Okay, now I just need to run wiring from that point there where they connect down the back of the wheel here. That'll go down into the stand. So I need to grab the stand to find out where I need to drill the hole. Okay, brand spanking new display case, came right out of the box, literally. I got a couple of different backgrounds here, one in a garage and a drive-in. Or got a racetrack, got another racetrack. Might use this in here, drive-in for them. Okay, now the car centered up. You see, it doesn't roll, so it's not going to go anywhere. And I'll spray this a matte black, so it's more, looks more like a roadway. Okay, now my felt marker. So right about here. I'll probably have a switch on the side here, power plug, or maybe the switch here, power plug coming out here, so the battery pack will be here. Actually, if you're going to display it this way, switch on this side, battery pack in the back so you don't see it. Yeah, that's a good spot. All right, so right there. And you only need 3 volts to light up the model. It's really simple compared to a lot of the other builds I've done, which were 9 to 12 volts. Okay, I got my switch here, a slider. It'll go on the side here close to the hole, and then the power will come out the back here. So let's get the hole drilled here. Glue this in place. It's not going to go anywhere. Can't really glue on the ends there because it'll interfere with the slide. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do here is put solder on the pins here to get it ready for the wiring. Next, I'm going to drill a hole here for the power. I got this. I already have some heat shrink on there. And the rest of the wiring just for here. Let's see, actually, I need to figure this out. Okay, so it goes on sideways. That. Gonna let that set now. Then you get the red goes here, red from the model goes to the plug or the switch as well, and then the 2 blacks connect together, and that'll complete the circuit. So while this is setting, we got pop this apart again, and let's pray I don't break second. Now, you don't, when it comes to model cars, you don't need to glue the two halves together. To be honest, you just don't need to. Okay, now, where's the wire? And it go down. Okay, now I need to drill a small hole for the wiring to go down into, through the frame into the display stand. So now I need another set of wires coming from there down in. That's what it looks like there. I just got to run them down into the hole here. Okay, got the wiring run out through there now. Now just reattach the two halves. Cable wire coming out here. I already did a test lighting, and boy, it works beautifully. Just like that. Okay, works out. Now I'm just gonna put the rest of the parts on the car here, and then we can put them on the stand permanently. Oh, I see. It gives you two different, okay, two different airfoils to choose from. Well, I want this one. Just because it looks cooler. I'll touch that up later. Or is this supposed to go on top? I already know this. That's not the one I want though. Oh, I see. There's you drill out a third hole here for this. Okay. Okay, I got the rest of the decals on there. That's good. Very nice. Okay. Now let's get this thing so it's on the stand permanently and can't come off. just gonna put glue on the two rear wheels. That way it's not gonna move. Good. Okay. Now let's get these hooked up. Here, get that all in a heat shrink. The way I hooked it up there, the two reds positive and the negatives. So let's do a test here. Very nice. Looking good. Woohoo! Oh, one last thing. Now, the back isn't going to stay on, so what I need to do is I got this Elmer's clear glue, and just around the edge. Well, I'd say that model is finished. His birthday present is ready to go. that's it for this build, everyone. I hope you enjoyed. It was a lot of fun to do. So please like, subscribe, comment, don't forget to share, and click that notification bell for any future uploads. If you have any questions or you want me to do some commission work for you, please contact me at epyc.models@gmail.com. And also check out my website, www.epyc.models.com. I'll see you all again later on the next build. Bye-bye.